Ever wondered where you can catch the most breathtaking views in Lisbon? From secret hilltop spots to iconic landmarks, join me as I explore the top 10 most stunning views in Lisbon and see if I can find a view that truly takes my breath away. Lisbon has stolen the hearts of many people with its picturesque alleys, delicious pastries, and breathtaking views. Today, I'm excited to share my top 10 favorite views in this beautiful city, and trust me, number 7 will leave you speechless. Let's start with the 10th most stunning view, which can be found at the Miradouro de São Pedro de Alcântara. This viewpoint offers a picturesque panorama of the city, with the Tagus River shining in the distance. What I love about this spot is that it's a bit off the beaten path, so you'll find more locals than tourists, making it a great place to soak up the authentic Lisbon vibe. As you take in the views, don't forget to grab a coffee at the nearby cafe and watch locals going about their daily lives, talking with friends, or simply enjoying the surroundings. It's a great way to spend a lazy afternoon. Moving on to number 9, we have the Castelo de São Jorge. This medieval castle is steeped in history and offers some of the city's most spectacular views. Imagine sipping a glass of wine while watching the sunset over the rooftops. It's truly magical. If you time your visit right, you can even catch a glimpse of the fado music performances that take place in the castle's courtyard. Number 8 takes us to the trendy neighborhood of Bairro Alto, where we find the Miradouro do Bairro Alto. This viewpoint is especially beautiful at night when the city lights twinkle like stars below. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists, and you can often find live music performances or street artists adding to the area's lively atmosphere. Now to the most exciting part of the video, as we're about to reach number 7, which I've been dying to share with you. Located in the heart of Lisbon, the Elevador de Santa Justa is a historic tram that connects the lower streets of the city to the higher neighborhoods. But what makes this viewpoint so special is the stunning panorama it offers of the city's historic center. As you step out of the tram, you'll be greeted by the stunning Bairro neighborhood with its colorful buildings and bustling streets. But that's not all. The real magic happens when you look up and see the castle towering above you. It's a truly breathtaking sight that will leave you speechless. The best part about this viewpoint is that it's not just about the view itself, but the experience of getting there. As you ride the historic tram, you'll feel like you're stepping back in time, and the excitement builds up as you ascend to the top. And trust me, the views are well worth the wait. Another aspect that makes this viewpoint stand out is the unique perspective it offers. While most viewpoints in Lisbon focus on the Tagus River or the castle, this one gives you a unique glimpse into the city's historic center, showcasing the intricate network of streets and alleys that make Lisbon so charming. I'll never forget my first time here. It was just before sunset. I was traveling alone, yet surrounded by so much history, I didn't feel alone. As the golden light hit the rooftops, I realized how small we are, but how each moment, each view like this, can leave an everlasting impact on our hearts. It's a moment of pure Lisbon magic, and standing there you can't help but feel connected to the soul of the city. Next up at number 6 is the Mosteiro dos Jerónimos, a stunning example of Manueline architecture that will leave you in awe. While the views from the monastery itself are breathtaking, I recommend taking a short stroll to the nearby Tagus River, where you can enjoy the scenery while watching the boats sail by. As we continue our countdown, we have the Miradouro da Graça at number 5, which offers a picturesque view of the city's oldest neighborhood, Alfama. What's fascinating about this spot is that it's nestled in a quiet neighborhood, making it the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Plus, the nearby church of São Vicente de Fora is definitely worth a visit, with its stunning Baroque architecture and beautiful tiles. At number 4, we have the iconic Tower of Belém, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's steeped in history. While the views from the tower itself are stunning, a short walk to the nearby riverfront is highly recommended, where you can enjoy the views while watching the boats sail by. Don't forget to try the famous pastéis de Belém, the original Portuguese custard tarts that will make your taste buds dance. Number 3 takes us to the Miradouro da Nossa Senhora do Monte, which offers a breathtaking panorama of the city. What I love about this viewpoint is that it's a bit isolated, making it a great spot to enjoy the views without the crowds. Plus, the nearby chapel of Nossa Senhora do Monte is a beautiful example of Baroque architecture. Coming in at number 2, we have the Miradouro de São Roque, which offers a stunning view of Lisbon's historic center. One thing to love about this spot is that it's tucked away in a peaceful neighborhood, making it an ideal retreat from the busy city life. Plus, the nearby church of São Roque is a must-visit. With its stunning Baroque architecture and beautiful tiles, it houses one of the most expensive chapels in the world, the Chapel of St. John the Baptist. It was built in Rome using precious materials like gold, lapis lazuli, and ivory, then disassembled and shipped to Lisbon in 1747. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cristo Rei, a magnificent statue of Christ that offers a breathtaking panorama of the city. While the views from the top are stunning, a short walk to the nearby 25 de Abril Bridge is worth taking, which offers a unique perspective on the city's architecture. That's it, folks. Those are my top 10 most stunning views in Lisbon. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me and discovered some new hidden gems to add to your itinerary. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which view was your favorite. And if you've got any other Lisbon tips to share, I'd love to hear them. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel content, and check out my other videos for more stunning destinations around the world.